Hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video over here at Exactly Scale Models. Today I'm showing you my 1/24th scale 69 Super B, and I've kind of veered away from exclusively building 1/25th because I quite liked this kit. I like this car and I saw it on the shelf and I just decided, you know what, let's get some variety in here, let's start building in different scales. And then I got some more kits that are also 1/24th afterwards. So, let's start giving you a look around this thing. You got the SB440 license plate. And these decals are pretty neat. And they're easy enough to get on, given that they're 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces for the stripe and the Super B centerpiece of them. But you gotta have a bit of patience to get them straight, is basically what it is. But they're real nice, and then you got some stripes up on the hood too. I painted this one in Tester's Mythical Maroon. It's an extreme lacquer spray can, and it's pretty reflective. It's got a very, very slight orange peel to it, but overall I'm very pleased with this, and there's a couple little spots in the paint right up here that I've got to clean up. There's really not much to this one. Interior's body colored silver and black. Back seats are just black. Underneath, it's really simple. All the rear end and exhaust is one piece. And so is the front suspension. Under the hood, there's not much going on. Not a whole lot of detail in here, but it all fit together perfectly. The only issue I have with this kit is that there wasn't very much detail in here. The engine is like 5 pieces, and you can't build it with any different exhaust setups. It's just all one piece. But that's about it. It goes together nicely. It's a good quick build. I think it took me 2.5, 3 days to do this one. But I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Later today, I'm done with this. If you only came here for the car, not the update. Anyway, later today I'm gonna try to get a Finish It February group build update out. Started work on one of the cars for that. So maybe later today I will put that up, and I'll see you then.